Welcome to another Health News video news release brought to you by Health News. In today's news, we look at how effective spinal adjustments are for chronic headaches. So how effective are chiropractic adjustments for chronic headaches? According to the Journal of Manipulative and Physiological Therapeutics review of randomized clinical trials, spinal adjustments was as effective as any medications for tension type and migraine headaches and more effective than massage. If you or a loved one is looking for relief from chronic headache, chiropractic care is a proven method that will improve your quality of life. Remember, your best source for everything health is your chiropractor. Visit your chiropractor regularly and make sure your nervous system is functioning 100%. If you are watching this video on our YouTube channel, please subscribe. And if you are watching this video on our website and have not already done so, please add your name and email address to the form on this page. And that's it for today's health news.